Have you ever had so much work to do that you just wish you had like a clone to help you with some of your work? You mean like this? I totally wasn't expecting that. I can see you. Well, I'm here. Now you have to teach them how to create a clone for themselves just like this. Sure, I'm going to show you how you can create your own clone with just your smartphone. But before we dive in, here are a few things you need to know. First, you need to write a script. Have a script of what you want to say in your video. And this just makes it easy for you. Since you're the one playing both characters, you know what both characters are going to say. So it will just be easy for you to, give facial expressions when the other character is talking. For example, as I'm talking now, my clone is going to be doing something. So because I'm the one that wrote the script, I know when to put that in. So it just makes it easy for you and it makes recording your video smoother and easier. The second thing you need to do is to make sure that your phone is set on a tripod. This is non-negotiable. Your phone needs to be set one place, and please do not move it throughout your video, just so that when you're joining both videos together, it's going to align perfectly. So the third thing that you need to know is that you need to have an adequate source of light. You can either use a tripod, a softbox, an LED light, or even natural light if you don't have any of these. Just make sure that the light, you do not, shake the light or move the light. It's just there throughout your video. So I'll advise that when you're recording a video like this, do not stop it, because when you stop it, the lighting might not be the same with the first video and it will be noticeable. So make sure that your light is set one place and it's just the same, and it's the same throughout your video. The fourth thing that you need to do is to make sure that you mark where both you and the second character are going to stand, just so that one character does not enter the other one, and also that both of you are in frame in the video. The thing is, if I didn't mark where both of us are going to stand, if I'm like this, you can see that I may be entering, a part of me may not show. So it's best to mark where both of you are going to stand. And then it's also important to do a test run. And what I mean by this is, when you mark where both of you are going to stand, you set your camera as if you're going to record. In fact, you're going to record, play record. Just come and stand where you're supposed to stand normally while recording, and then you stand where the second character is going to stand and watch the video to make sure that both of you are in frame, both of you are showing, nothing is missing, everything is in order before you record, just so that you don't record your video from beginning to end and then you watch it and realize that both of you were not in frame. This has happened to me before. It happened to me the first time I had to re-record this video. Please do not make this mistake. And finally, please do not stop. I don't know if I mentioned it earlier. Don't stop this video throughout. Make sure that it's recording throughout, just so that it's going to align. It's going to be the same when we're editing it. Okay? So if you have anything that you're going to change to for your second character, make sure that you already have it organized and just kept one place, so that once you finish recording your video for your first character, you can quickly change without stopping it. You can quickly change and just start recording for the second character. Okay, so now we're done recording. Next, we're going to edit our video. Let's go. I'm in CapCut app right now. I'll click on new project and select the video that we recorded. It's one video. Remember that we recorded everything all through. So I'll click on click on add one, and it brings us to our timeline. So this is our video on the timeline. You're going to see a space where I went to change my outfit and then come for my second video. So this is the time I went to change my outfit, and then I came back for my second character. This is my second character. So what we're going to do is, remember, this is my playhead, this white vertical line. So I'm going to take it to where I stopped, where I was going out of the screen to go and change for my first character right here. Next, we're going to edit our video. Let's go. Okay, so here, before I start working out, I'll tap on it. I'll tap on split. Then I am going to remove all of these. These parts are not necessary. I just tap on it. I'll tap on delete. Okay, so this is our first video. This is the time where you will need to remove any mistake that you made while recording your video. If you notice anything you said wrong and then repeated yourself, this is the best time to do that. If you made a mistake, just tap on it, tap on split, and then go to where you finished making the mistake, tap on split again, and just delete the parts that you made a mistake. Once you've done that, you'll just export your video. So this is my first video. I'm going to export it. Click on export to export it. It has saved the first video to my phone gallery. I'll just go back. So what I'll do is I'll just click on this cancel right here. Click on new project again, and then I'll import the first video that we recorded. Remember that I have saved the first part of my video for the first character, so I need to save the second part for the second character. So to do that, I'll still tap on the whole video again, click on add one, and then I'll go to where the second character came in and started talking. This is when my second character came in. Remember I said that you need to, if you made any mistake, you need to cut everything out and then save your video. So this is where my second character came in. Okay, so I'll tap on it again. I'll tap on split, and this is the part we don't need. This is the part where I was changing my outfit and all of that. So I'll click on delete to delete it. So this is for my second character. My second character wasn't saying a lot of things, so I don't need to like delete anything or split anything. But if your second character also talked and had a conversation with your first character, if you made any mistake, this is the best time to split it, delete it, and just save it to your gallery. So once I'm done editing the second part, I'll click on export again to save the video to my phone gallery. The second video is now saved to my phone gallery. Remember that I said the reason why we need to record the entire video is just so that the lighting and everything will be the same. Because I know it will be easier to say, okay, record the first video for the first character and then you pause it or stop it, go and change, come again and start recording the second video. But when you do that, there is a chance that the lighting setup will not be the same. I've tried this and this is what I experienced. And also, there's also a chance that when you're stopping it or you're starting it, there's a chance that you may touch your camera and move it very slightly. And with any slight movement, both videos will not align when you're editing. So this is what works. If you want to create the perfect clone video, just make sure that you record everything the same time. And then you can now come edit for the first character, save it, then edit the second character and save it. So once we've done this, I'll click on done, then I'll click on new project again, and I'll import the first video, this one. Have you ever had so much work to do that you just wish you... I'll click on add, and I have added the first video to my timeline. I'll click on overlay right here, click on add overlay, then I'll select the second video, this one. You mean like this? I'll click on add, and I'll use my two fingers to just make sure both of them make sure the second video covers the entire screen. It hasn't fully covered. You need to be very careful with this. So both videos have covered the entire screen. What I'm going to do is I'll tap on my second video, scroll through these icons below, and I'll click on mask. This is mask. Then I'll click on horizontal. So you can see that it's showing both my first and my second video at the same time. Okay. So you can see this, this horizontal line, the yellow horizontal line. I'll use my two fingers to just make it straight. Turn it to be straight. So it's straight. And then when I click on the check icon, you can see that this item on the screen is not really aligned, and that's because the videos The video here. That's because the videos are not really, the second video doesn't really cover the entire screen. So this is it. And what I'm going to do now, you can see that there is a line, even though it's not really visible, but there's a line. I can see it. If you look closely, you see the line. To remove that, which is very important, just scroll through the icons below and click on mask again. Once you click on mask, you can see that this line have appeared, and you can also see this circle on the screen. Just drag it to the left, slightly to the left. What this does is it just helps feather both videos. It adds a little feather to it and makes both videos to blend perfectly. And once you do this, you're not going to notice that line again. Let me show you. So you can see that the line is gone and both videos are now aligned perfectly. If I play this, you can see that my second character started talking, and my second character is not even supposed to be on the screen now until I finish saying what I was saying. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tap on it. This is for my second character. This is the video for my first character. So I'll tap on the one for my second character. Let me take my playhead to where I finish saying, have you ever had so much to do that you wish you had a clone? So we're there. I'm going to drag my second video. This is where it's going to start. You mean like this? I totally wasn't expecting that. I can see you. Expecting that. I can see you. Well, I'm here. Now you have to teach them how to create a clone for themselves, just like this. Sure, I'm going to show you how you can create your own clone with just your smartphone. But before we dive in here, so you can see that there is a little kind of misunderstanding between the two of them because they are not really aligning, but we're going to fix that. And to do that, we're just going to, let me play it. Of your work? You mean like this? Okay, I'm going to just drag it. Work? You mean like this? I totally wasn't expecting that. Okay, so we need to get the second character to say I can hear you when I whispered that. And she's saying it too soon. So what we're going to do is this part where she's not saying anything, I'm going to tap on my screen, tap on split, go slightly before she said I can hear you. So this is the video that we have. This is the one I just splitted now. I'll drag my playhead to where I finished whispering I totally was. I'll take this video, drag it to where she started saying I can hear you. Let me play this. I can see you. Well, I'm here. Now you have to teach them how to create a clone for themselves, just like this. Sure, I'm going to. You can see that it now aligns both of them. But we have a problem. We have a space here where nothing is happening. So what we'll do is this video that I cut out, I am going to tap on it and then I will tap on speed and just make it slow motion. And why I'm doing this is because she's not saying anything here. She's just looking. So we can make this slow motion and it will not be noticeable. So I'll tap on speed, I'll tap on normal, and I'll just reduce it just so that it will cover. It's too much. Leave it on 4. Yeah, this is okay. I'll just reduce it. I'll trim it because it's too long. It entered this side, so I trimmed it. So let me play what we have now. Work? You mean like this? I totally wasn't expecting that. I can see you. Well, I'm here. Now you have to teach them how to create a clone for themselves, just like this. Sure, I'm going to show you how you can create your own clone with just your smartphone. But before we dive in, here are a few things you need to know. First, you need to write a script. Have a script of what you want to say in your video, and this just makes it easy for you. Since you're the one playing both characters, you know what both characters are going to say, so it will just be easy for you to, give facial expression. So you can see that it's aligning perfectly now. So in case you encounter this kind of problem, as long as the other person is not saying anything, this is what you should do. It's hard for both characters will not talk at the same time. One will be making an expression, a facial expression, while the other one is talking. So if you have this kind of issue, just the one making a facial expression, just use it, just slow it down to increase the length at which she's making that expression, and then drag the video where she started talking to where she's supposed to start talking. I don't know if that makes sense. You also need to go to the end of your video just to make sure that both videos are ending the same time. So I'm just sliding to the end of my video. So this is the end of my video. Let me just play what she said. So now we're done recording. Next, we're going to edit our video. Let's go. Okay. So my first video have ended, which is the main video, and you can see the black line, it's done. The black line is now showing, and the second video is still playing because the second video is way longer than the first one. So what I'm going to do is I'll just come where she rounded up for the second character. Okay. Okay, so I'll tap on my second video, tap on split, and I'll just go towards the end of my second video. This is see how it ended. Okay, this is how it ended. I'm just going to come towards here, tap on split, and then I'll delete this part. But I need to tap on this and drag it to where the other video is. So let me take it. You can see that it's still way longer. I'm just going to tap on it again and split and delete. It's still longer. So what I'm trying to do is just to make sure that both videos are aligned. So this is how my video ended. Okay, so now we're done recording. Next, we're going to edit our video. Let's go. So yes, once you're done making sure that both videos align and they're all perfect, you click on the export icon to save your video to your gallery. And yes, this is how to clone yourself in your video. Let me know if you have any questions. If there's any other video type you want me to teach you, also let me know in the comment section. Thank you for staying with me. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can show it to more people. And I'll see you in the next one. Remember, Jesus loves you. Bye.